doing an experiment to build a tray for my lure boxes to put in my storage compartment of my boat, gluing plastics. I don't know exactly what kind of plastic it is, but I got a big sheet of it. First one is loctite, 12 to 24 hours cure time. JB plastic bonder, high strength structural adhesive, supposed to be made for plastic. And eztex part A, part B marine epoxy. It's just what I had laying around, so we'll check and see exactly how hard they're going to cure and which one I'm going to go with to build this tray box. Also bought a piece of plastic to make a portable fish cleaning table, or just a cutting board really I need, because I don't like cleaning fish at the house. And I'll be adding that to the boat.